This video will demonstrate the Parrot product's IW6000 All-in-One Interactive Whiteboard System. To start, double-click on the portable IWB icon located on the desktop. For the calibration, go to Taskbar and click on the portable IWB icon. Then click on Calibration. Click on each cross appearing on the screen. Once completed, the system is now ready for use. Open the Draw software. Easily select a new page. Change pen thickness. Select pen to write. Soft pen available. Change pen texture. Easily change pen color. Highlighter available. Easily erase parts of the screen. Different shapes available. Shapes can be filled. Selection tool to move objects around. Jump between pages. Screen shade available.